Today, we're making Plantation Molasses Pudding from Crisp's, Cobblers, Custards, and Creams by Jean Anderson. This recipe originates from a 1950s fundraiser cookbook from North Carolina and is very similar to a gingerbread cake minus the additional spices. For this recipe, start by sifting all the dry ingredients together and then set aside. The author does suggest sifting onto wax paper, probably to make it easier to add to the wet ingredients, but our personal preference is to use a bowl. Then cream the butter and sugar together using a hand mixer. Now add in the eggs one at a time, being sure to mix after each addition. And finally, slowly add in the molasses. Next, measure out 1 cup of boiling water. We used the molasses measuring cup for this to ensure we got all the molasses out of the cup and to save on dishes. Add the dry ingredients and the boiling water into the wet ingredients mixture by alternating between the two. Just be sure not to overmix. When everything is thoroughly combined, pour the batter into a buttered baking dish. Bake until a tester comes out clean when insert halfway between the edge and the center of the baking dish. You want the center to be a little underdone as it will finish cooking as it rests. We cannot stress enough that this is one you really need to watch because the difference between one that is slightly overcooked and one that is perfect is drastic. The recipe suggests about an hour for baking, but ours only took about 25 minutes. The dish is perfectly moist and the whipped cream adds just the right touch. This is an excellent fall recipe to share with family and friends. When ready to serve, top with whipped cream and enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.